guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another whole house clean with me. Today we are cleaning the house. It looks like a disaster and I'm also going to be gone for like 2 weeks, so I need to make sure that we deep clean, get everything ready to go. So it's going to be extreme cleaning motivation today. So I hope you guys are ready. We're going to hop right into it.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. I don't know what else to do. I wanna get away from every little thing just to try to make it through. I've been thinking about my options, every detail in my head, but it doesn't really matter, nothing matters, so I cry instead. I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been staring at the ceiling, I've been staying up all night. Everything I ever worked for vanished in the blink of an eye. I've been asking every question, 'cause I haven't got a clue. Why's it gotta be me? What the hell am I supposed to do? I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. And I know there's so much more to this life, but it's hard to see it clearly. Yeah, I try my best, but nothing turns out right. God, I need you now so dearly, 'cause I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying everything I can, but I ain't got nothing left. I've been running circles, trying to catch my breath. I've been trying.
Alright guys, so I'm basically done with all of my cleaning. I decided not to mop today just because I felt like the floors were okay and didn't really need it. So I didn't do that, and I did go ahead and vacuum the bathroom, I think, without showing you guys, but I did it. We're done with that. It's all good. But I just feel like I'm running behind on time and I need to focus on getting other stuff done. So I am going to clean the office space, but that's going to be its own separate video. It's either already up, and if it is, I'll have it linked down below, or it will be going up after this one. But I am going to go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this cleaning motivation. Let me know if you got motivation out of it. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to click the subscribe button for all things cleaning, lifestyle, everything in between, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.